Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to play prop hunt in COD Mobile like your go-to guide. So this is a complete process of how you can play prop hunt in COD Mobile. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you will be able to do it. So here is the quick steps to play prop hunt. So prop hunt in Call of Duty Mobile is all about hide and seek with a twist. Players alternate between being the hunters and the props. If you are the prop, your goal is to hide and blend in your surroundings. As a hunter, your mission is to find and eliminate the props. So here is the process. To get started, you'll need to select the featured mode option on the main screen of COD Mobile. Like you will be able to see this option called feature mode option on the main screen of COD Mobile, and after that look for prop hunt among the listed modes. And if it's available, note that it's a periodic game mode and might not always be there. As you can see, this is kind of an event, or this has come into COD Mobile for a specific time duration, and in future you might not be able to see it, as the events are for like a specific period, and once that period is ended, those events are also like removed. So note that it's a periodic game mode and might not always be there. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, form your team or go solo, that is your choice, and jump into the action. So that is a simple and easy process. Go to featured mode and find the prop hunt among the list, and once you find it, you can just go solo or like squad, that is your choice, and play the game and enjoy it.